Imagine ending each day with breathtaking sunsets over the water, all from the comfort of a beautifully designed lakefront home that feels like it was made just for you. Welcome to 16420 Settlers Way, located in the exclusive Crescent Lakes community of Babcock Ranch, where luxury, functionality, and serenity converge on one of the most sought-after, oversized lakefront lots in the area. Step inside and feel the difference. You'll find 4 spacious bedrooms, plus a versatile den, perfect for a dedicated home office, fitness space, or playroom. The layout is open, airy, and filled with natural light. Now, the upgraded kitchen is a showstopper: quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, a large island that anchors the space, and a walk-in pantry to keep it all organized. So whether you're hosting friends or enjoying a quiet night in, this home makes it effortless. Welcome aboard. I'm Cessna, your Southwest Florida waterfront realtor. And if you'd like more info about this home, or if you're thinking about buying, selling, investing, or relocating to Southwest Florida, click the link in the description to schedule a complimentary consultation, or you're welcome to call or text me today. Now, back to the lifestyle. Outside, you'll find a private backyard oasis with wide lake views and more than enough space to build your dream pool. This is more than just a place to live. It's a chance to step into a community built for your future, surrounded by nature, innovation, and connection. Now, if you're ready for a home that reflects where you're headed and not just where you are, 16420 Settlers Way might be your next move. Let's head inside and take a closer look. As amazing as this home is, what truly sets it apart is the lifestyle that comes with it. Babcock Ranch isn't just a neighborhood, it's a vibrant, connected community built around sustainability, innovation, and the sense of true belonging. Now, from the golf cart friendly streets to the miles of nature trails and parks, there's always something to explore. Spend your weekends at local farmers markets, food truck nights, or live music events on the lawn. Whether you're walking your dog, taking the kids to school, or catching a sunset ride along the lake, you'll feel the energy and the peace of living in a place that's designed to bring people together. Now, if you're looking for more than just a home, if you want a community where you can truly connect, truly live and grow, then Babcock Ranch might be calling your name. I'm Barry Cessna, your waterfront realtor. Thanks for joining me on this tour. And if you have any questions or want to schedule a private showing, just call, text, or click the link in the description to connect with me directly, making realty dreams a reality here in Babcock Ranch.